Plant FAQs. Heuchera Black Pearl. Heuchera Black Pearl, the dramatic foliage for any garden. As a gardener with a penchant for the dramatic, I'm always on the lookout for plants that add a touch of flair to my outdoor space. Enter Heuchera Black Pearl, a perennial that stole my heart with its inky black foliage and ruffled edges. This stunner isn't just about looks, though. It's surprisingly easy to care for and thrives in a variety of conditions, making it a perfect addition for busy gardeners like myself. What is Heuchera Black Pearl? Heuchera Black Pearl, also known as coral bells, is a clump-forming perennial that brings a touch of goth elegance to the garden. Its most striking feature is undoubtedly the foliage. Each leaf boasts a near-black hue, glossy and ruffled at the edges, with a hint of rosy purple peeking through on the underside. This interplay of color and texture creates a captivating visual interest, especially when contrasted with lighter plants. In midsummer, the black pearl produces delicate white flowers held aloft on slender stems. While the flowers themselves are pretty, they tend to take a back seat to the dramatic foliage. Where does black pearl shine? How to care for Heuchera Black Pearl. The beauty of Heuchera Black Pearl is its versatility. This low-maintenance plant thrives in a range of lighting conditions, from full sun to full shade. However, it performs best in part shade, especially in warmer climates. When choosing a location, ensure the soil is well-drained and rich in organic matter. Amending your soil with compost before planting will give your black pearl a healthy start. Watering needs are minimal once established. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. During periods of drought, give your black pearl a good soak, and then let the soil dry slightly between waterings. How to propagate Heuchera Black Pearl. Sharing the drama of Heuchera Black Pearl is easy. This plant propagates readily through division in spring or fall. Simply dig up a mature clump and carefully divide it into sections, ensuring each section has healthy roots and foliage. Replant the divisions in their new locations and water them well. With proper care, your black pearl pups should establish themselves quickly. What to plant with Heuchera Black Pearl? Heuchera Black Pearl's dark foliage makes it a fantastic companion for a variety of plants. Here are a few ideas to get you started. For a burst of color, pair your black pearl with perennials that boast vibrant blooms, like daylilies, coreopsis, or beard tom. Playing with texture, Simicifugua, bugbane, with its ferny foliage adds a contrasting texture, while ornamental grasses like Haconecloa macra, Japanese forest grass, provide a touch of movement. Silver linings, silver foliage plants like Stachys byzantina, lamb's ears, create a stunning contrast with the black pearl's dark leaves. Is Heuchera Black Pearl dog-friendly? This is a crucial question for pet owners. While Heuchera Black Pearl isn't considered highly toxic, it can cause mild stomach upset if ingested by dogs. If you suspect your dog has munched on your black pearl, monitor them for any signs of discomfort like vomiting or diarrhea. If you're concerned, consult your veterinarian immediately. The final word: why you need Heuchera Black Pearl in your garden. Heuchera Black Pearl is a low-maintenance, versatile plant that adds a touch of drama and year-round interest to any garden. Its easygoing nature and stunning foliage make it a winner for busy gardeners and plant enthusiasts alike. So, if you're looking for a plant that packs a punch without demanding constant attention, look no further than Heuchera Black Pearl.